Hi, Digweave, and welcome back to Caibidil 3, Chapter 3 of our story, Ní haon saighdiúir mise. Just a quick note before we begin, if you're interested in learning Irish with me, please check the description below the video. So as usual, we'll continue now, go through it all once in Irish, and then we'll go back and go through it together more slowly. So let's start. Caibidil 3. Nuair a chric gearóid an dún, bhuail sé an neata mór lena chamáin. Doscail an rí cruthair mac neasa an gceata. Cé thusa seasin nuair a tháinig sé gearóid ina cheasamh taobh amuigh. Gearóid atá ormsa sa gearóid, agus ba bhailim cluiche amána a bheith agam le cúchaileann. Nuair a thuaidh cruthair mac neasa seo, thosaigh sé ag gaiire. Níl imreoir níos fearr ná cúchaileann sa chúige seo seasin. Thuaidh cúchaileann an bhirt ag caint. Níl imreoir níos fearr ná mé in éireann seasin, ach beidh cluiche agam leat mar sin féin. D'imir gearóid agus cúchaileann cluiche amána sa fear os comhair an dún. Bhí anna cluiche ag gearóid, ach beár cúchaileann ná é. Níl tú chumá le cúchaileann sa cruthair mac neasa le gearóid nuair a bhí an cluiche thart, ach níl aon chailliúint ort mar sin féin. Is maith an tiománaí tú sa cúchaileann agus chruis sé lámh le gearóid. Bhí gearóid bra sásta leis féin. Okay, let's go back and go through it. So, nuair a chric gearóid. So, nuair a, when, chric. So, chric is the verb to reach or arrive. So, when Gerard reached the castle on Dún, what did he do? Bhuail sé an neata. He hit on the gate, neata mór, on the big gate, lena chamáin, with his hurl. That's the stick he's holding. Lena being two words, le and a, with his, and we put the N there just to kind of combine it. And that also makes the H in the next word, chamáin, because it's his hurl. Doscail an rí, so oscail the verb to open, but now it's in the past, doscail, so the king opened. Who was the king? Cruthair mac neasa, an gceata. So doscail an rí an gceata. Cé thusa, who are you? Seasin, he said. Nuair a tháinig sé, when he saw, so tháinig sé, he saw, nuair tháinig sé gearóid, ina cheasamh taobh amuigh. So in Irish, as I might have mentioned before, we have a difference between kind of action verbs and state verbs. So standing is a state, you're not doing any actions. So we don't use ag, we use rather in his standing, or for me it would be in my standing, in my cheasamh, but gearóid ina cheasamh. So tháinig sé gearóid ina cheasamh. He saw gearóid standing, taobh amuigh, outside. Gearóid atá ormsa. So another way of saying gearóid is anam dom. Gearóid is on me. Agus ba bhailim, and I would like, cluiche amána a bheith agam, and I would like to have a game of hurling le cúchaileann. Nuair a thuaidh cruthair mac neasa seo. So when cruthair mac neasa heard, so the verb clush in the past is thuaidh. So nuair a thuaidh mé sin, or nuair a thuaidh cruthair mac neasa seo, thosaigh sé, so the verb to tosaigh, to start, in the past, thosaigh sé ag gaiire, laughing. Níl imreoir níos fearr ná cúchaileann sa chúige seo. There is no player more good, níos fearr, better, ná cúchaileann than cúchaileann sa chúige seo, in this province. Thuaidh cúchaileann an bhirt ag caint. So cúchaileann heard an bhirt, the two, and in Irish we have special counting words for people, so it's immediately clear here birch is referring to people as opposed to gá for things. And he heard the two people talking ag caint. Níl imreoir níos fearr ná mé in éireann. There's not a player better than me in Ireland. I would tend to say níl imreoir níos fearr ná mise, because you're kind of emphasizing it, but that's what the story says. Ach beidh cluiche agam leat, but I will have a game with you mar sin féin anyway. Dimmer gearóid agus cúchulainn cluiche amhána sa park. So gearóid and cúchulainn played. Immer is the verb to play in the past. Dimmer. They played a game of hurling in the park. Os chóran dún, in front of the castle. And again, dún has the genitive spelling because it's coming after os chóran, in front of. The Eanna cluiche a gearóid. So gearóid had a great game. The Eanna cluiche. Ach bar cúchulainn ná é. But cúchulainn was better than him. Another way you could say this would be like the Eanna cluiche a gearóid ach bhí cúchulainn níos fearr ná é. Níl tú chomh le cúchulainn. Níl tú, you are not. Chomh, as well or as good, le cúchulainn. So you're not as good as him. Nuair a bhí an cluiche hart, when the game was hart. Hart is over, finished. Ach níl éin chailliúint ort. So chail is to lose. Níl éin, there's no chailliúint on you. There's no loss to you. There's nothing to be ashamed about. Mar Sinn Féin. Anyway, just to know that's a very different Sinn Féin than the political party. Is ma an timani tú. Literally is good. The hurling, you are, how to put this in English, you equals the good hurler, but you are a good hurler. Sa cúchulainn agus chruis sé lámh le gearóid, and he shook hands with gearóid. The gearóid bra sásta leis féin. So gearóid was bra sásta, so sásta just happy, bra just kind of amplifies it, so super happy, very happy. Leis féin is very happy with himself. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks very much, and we'll be back next time for Caibidil a Chathair. Slán libh.